Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share what I eat in a day to lose weight. So the past few months I've just very quietly been just doing my own thing and I've lost 10 kilos or about 22 pounds doing and eating what I'm going to be sharing with you today. And yeah, I haven't shared an update in a little while, and so I've just actually got back from being away. I've filmed a video with microwave chocolate desserts which I uploaded. I'm hoping when this video goes out it would have been yesterday. I'm hoping today is Saturday. We just got back yesterday. I'm hoping to film all day today, edit like crazy and get this up freshly baked blog for you tomorrow, Sunday. So yeah, hoping that works. But yeah, I've been away eating all sorts. Today it's Saturday. I went shopping yesterday afternoon. I've got a fridge full and I thought, why not film a full day of eating to share what I've been eating lately. So yeah, this channel's mostly been low carb keto. As you'll see, some of my meals are low carb keto-ish, but I've definitely been having bread. I've been having all kinds of carbs as well, and I've been losing and maintaining my weight loss as well. So that is what is working for me. But enough chitter chatter. I am hungry, ready for breakfast. Let me show you what I'm making. So I'm definitely starting my day with a keto-ish breakfast. I've got mushrooms, onion and broccoli, which I'm going to saute and cook up in lots of coconut oil, and I'm going to fry up some eggs too. If you've watched my channel for a while, you know that's kind of my go-to breakfast, and the last couple of months I've been alternating between having this and chocolate quinoa, which I shared a while ago on my channel. I've really been loving having quinoa for breakfast, so I alternate between the two, but since I've got loads of veggies in the fridge, this is what I'm having. So I'm getting the onion started. I've got the coconut oil melted. I'm just getting the onion nice and coated in the coconut oil, get it starting to heat and soften, and then I'll add in the broccoli. I've chopped up the broccoli into little florets and I'm going to get that cooking too, and then chop up the mushrooms and add it in a little bit as well. And all the veggies are in the frying pan, and I'm just going to cook them, add more coconut oil as needed, some salt, maybe some oregano. I just love cooking with oregano. And once they're all cooked, we'll fry up eggs and I will show you my finished plate. And that is my finished breakfast plate. Loads of veggies. I didn't have the whole frying pan full. I gave some to my husband and kids as well, but I'm having a massive portion of veggies to start my day. I kind of feel like I'm ahead of the game when I have so many veggies for breakfast, but it really fills me up. And I've got 2 lovely fried eggs, and that makes my breakfast. And keep watching for more meals and whatever I eat and drink through the day. Now that breakfast mostly filled me up, but I'm going to make a hot chocolate. I shared this recipe a little while ago. I tend to just pop almond milk into my mug, pop it into a saucepan, so now I've got the right amount because I just use this teeny little mug. I find rather than having a snack mid-morning, I just like to make sure I'm nice and full at breakfast, and then I'll be fine till lunch. So I am just going to heat up the almond milk and then add a little square of chocolate to it and just have a little warming hot chocolate. So the almond milk's in my saucepan over medium heat, and I'm just going to bring it up to a simmer, and as soon as it is simmering then I will whisk in the chocolate. The almond milk was bubbling, so I'll add in the chocolate and quickly stir it through so that it melts from the heat of the milk. It's got all steamed up. I'm actually going to add in some stevia as well, just a teaspoon to sweeten it because it's quite dark, the chocolate. And that's kind of perfect. I'll just pour it into my little mug. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Oh, all those dark chocolatey bits. Beautiful dark hot chocolate. And yeah, I've totally been having hot chocolate most days and managing to lose weight, keep it off, everything. And I had been doing intermittent fasting in the past, but I haven't so much been doing strictly 16/8 as I had. I tend to rather just try and get 3 meals in a day without any snacks. So fill myself up at meals, and that's going to be with this lovely hot chocolate now. And next I'll show you my lunch. I am making a roast chicken, which I'm looking forward to, and I will show you step by step how I make a roast chicken next. So keep watching for that. Okay, so lunchtime now, because it's Saturday lunch and we've kind of got the time, I'm roasting a chicken. You could do this if you want for a Sunday lunch, roast a chicken or even 2 chickens, and then you've got leftovers for the week. So I'm going to roast it today, Saturday, and then yeah, we'll have leftovers the next few days. So I've got a whole chicken over here, and now for sides, this is when it's not low carb at all. I'm roasting sweet, beautiful potatoes. I love having potatoes roasted with chicken. You just, you know, got to do it. I'm really happy to have the carbs with that, as well as onion and carrot too. It's just the way I roast lately. If you want some ideas for low carb sides, you could have cauliflower or roast cauliflower instead of potatoes, or roast radishes, which come up similar to potatoes as well. You could roast also really any veggies you like, or you could make some cauliflower mash to have on the side. Loads and loads of options. But I'm going to get on and prep everything. I've got my roasting dish over here, so I'll show you once I've kind of prepped everything and ready to go into the oven. So on the base of my dish, I've got a little round of carrot and onion, which will kind of act like a platform for my chicken. So I'm going to get my chicken on top of there, and then we'll fill in all the blanks around the side with chopped potatoes. Okay, I've popped the chicken on top. Now what I like to do is pop it breast, leg side up first. I'm just going to salt it. I've got you on a tripod here. I'm just going to salt that side. And then we'll just flip it over to the other side. Okay, I've got my husband to help me so I don't have to get everything full of raw, my hands full of raw chicken. And I've salted the other side. Okay, so we want it to cook wing side up first and then breast side up second, because then all the lovely juices will just be beautiful in the breast side at the end. So what I'm going to do now is just fill in all the blanks, cover all around with potato, and then it goes into the oven. So I've got potatoes all around the chicken. I've added salt. You could add a bit of butter or oil as well to help it along. I usually just drizzle over a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and then it'll go into the oven. I tend to do it 45 minutes each side, and then I just have a look and see if it's crisp enough. Otherwise I just keep going and keep on watching it, doing it 20 minutes a time until it's kind of ready. So I'm going to pop it in the oven for 45 minutes, and then we'll show you how it looks. The chicken's been in the oven for 45 minutes. It's getting nice and golden, and the potatoes are starting to crisp up too. I'm just going to turn the chicken over. So I've turned the chicken over. I've given all the potatoes a bit of a toss, and now I'm just going to drizzle over a little bit more olive oil. My bottle is almost finished, so just drizzle it around. A bit more salt, shake it all around the place, and go back into the oven for another 45 minutes, and it should be pretty much done then. And the chicken just needed that final 45 minutes, and look how beautiful and crisp it is, and all the potatoes are so crisp, and veggies look pretty good too. I'm just going to serve myself up a plate. And that's my plate full. I've got a couple of crisp potatoes, carrot, onion, and chicken leg drumstick too, because yeah, it's my favorite piece of chicken. So yeah, that is my lunch, and next I'll share my dinner. And I'm finishing my day with a bowl of homemade pumpkin soup. I actually made this yesterday when we came home from being away. I just felt like soup, so I made pumpkin soup really easily. I didn't have much in the kitchen. I had an onion, garlic, and a butternut squash pumpkin, and I just boiled it all up. I didn't even use stock, I just used water, but I had loads of garlic in it, so it's lovely and garlicky. And then I used my stick blender to blend it all together, so I've got a nice smooth and creamy soup. And I find that whenever I have soup to finish my day, I tend to have weight loss the following day. I try not to weigh myself every single day, but when I do weigh myself a day after finishing my day with soup, I do find that I've lost weight. And I'm also going to be having some soda bread with it. We found this while we were on the Enquiries, Killarney. We went to a super value store, and they had this. It was local bread, local soda bread. So I'm going to have one piece of bread for dipping, just to have the beautiful soda bread, finishing it off from our holiday. But yeah, that is my full day of eating, what I've been eating lately to lose weight. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoy this style of video, this type of what I eat in a day videos. If there's anything particular you'd like me to share in future, if you'd like me to film any future updates about my weight loss, whatever you're interested in, leave a comment and let me know. And I'll leave links down below in the description to recipes I mentioned along the way to today as well, so you can check those out. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.